Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephany and I love everything planner related, so I hope that you'll stick around and consider subscribing for weekly videos. But for today's video, I did want to show you what I recently picked up from Rongrong. It is her newest collection, and if you guys ever want to purchase from Rongrong, make sure that you guys use code Stephany10 so you guys can save 10% off of your order. So let's go ahead and get started. I did just open it because I didn't want to struggle on camera. So here we have her card and just all of her information back here, and I believe this is my receipt, so let's get rid of that. So here are her newest stickers. So we have a self-love sticker book and then this vintage Paris inspired planner stickers. So let's go ahead and take a look at this one. I think this is the one that really caught my eye. So let's get rid of the packaging, and this one is a sticker pack, so it is all just loose sticker sheets. So as soon as I saw this, I fell in love with it because it's just so different from what she has ever released, and I just really love it. So we have 8 pages hand illustrated stickers with gold foil. So let's see. So I love just the theme and the color scheme. It is just so soft and very beautiful. So the first few pages are going to be paper stickers, and here we have that gold foil. I really love this one, and look at the detail in the boxes with this one. And here we have some flags and boxes, some habit trackers. Very pretty. And look at this one. Just beautiful illustrations. I love how the blue really stands out amongst like the pink and the black and the gold. And so then we have clear stickers, and look at these fashion girls. I love how they're outlined and there's no color. Such a vintage vibe, and I really love that about this sticker pack. Oh my gosh, look at this page. This is absolutely beautiful. I love the roses, and look at the birds. I even love those ones. Oh my gosh, everything about this page is absolutely stunning. Oh gosh, that is so pretty. Look at this one. I really love this. This is so different from what she's done, and I absolutely love it. So these are so beautiful. Oh, I cannot wait to use these. So if you didn't know, Rongrong does have a sticker album. So here it is, and then it is all just blank pages. So you get so many of these ones, and back here, these are sleeves. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have 5 of these clear sleeves. And what I love about this sticker album is if you guys ever purchase a sticker pack like this one where the pages are just loose, you can just go ahead and transfer all of these stickers onto these pages and maybe just have 1 or 2, and the back pages aren't usable. It's a different material from what's in the front, so just the front. So what I like is that you're able to transfer your stickers here onto this whole page and maybe just have 1 to 2 pages instead of all of these. But what I really like this for is I just love using the sleeves, and I actually use this one for Go Wild because I did take a sticker pack from her, and I believe it was like the wild one. It had like cheetah print, and it was in a sticker pack as well. So I went ahead and took that one and I just slid it here, and then I had the whole sticker, or you can just take a few pages, whatever you would like. But I love this one for traveling. So if you guys ever need a sticker album, just know that she does have one available. So that is the sticker pack, and then we also have the self-love sticker book. So let's take a look at this one. So we have over 500 stickers, and I love that this one is geared towards self-care. And the color scheme seems so beautiful. So again, we're gonna start with paper stickers, and look at this beautiful floral washi. Very, very pretty. Look at this one here. I love the different sizes in the boxes. Look at these beautiful fashion girls. And then we have, workout. And it says baby steps every day, plans. Look at this washi. Very pretty. Some more boxes, icons, today, appointment. And then we have positive affirmations. Those are always so needed. Just as a reminder, we have more icons as well. Okay, so we get 2 pages of those. Some more boxes, a note to self, and appointments down here at the bottom. And then we have habit trackers, and we have days off and relax. Definitely need those. And then planning, be mindful, workout, no screen time. Such great reminders. And then we have like yoga, relax, and more little star icons. So we have unplug, sleep in, early bedtime, read, drink more water, massage, stretch, journal time, take a walk, and read. Okay, so then we get to the clear stickers. So these are going to be lots of fashion girls and quotes as well. Shine for you and no one else. Good vibes only. Start somewhere. Self-care. Self-care comes first. Heal yourself first. The rest will come later. And then this one, her shirt says, I'd rather be reading. So lots of girls and lots of quotes. And look at this one. I love that she's holding some plants. So workout, maybe relax, journaling here. And then we have more girls. And I mostly use Rongrong stickers in my Go Get a Girl planner, but I want to start using them in my Plum paper as well. So these are going to be perfect because look at this page. This is so beautiful. Oh, and look at this one. I love all the pink and purple. It's just so girly. I love that. Look at this one. Makeup and perfume, makeup brushes, a hair dryer, candles, mascara, eyelashes, lipstick, blush, and maybe I think these are like oils, and nail polish. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, I love these ones. Look at the wheelbarrow with the flowers, the plants, the shovel, the boots, the bird feeders, the fence, the rake, everything with florals. Oh, I love that. Oh, and then we have some workout gear. Very pretty. I love these. These are so beautiful. Her illustrations are just the best. She is so talented. Okay, so we have some quotes back here. Be kind to yourself. Baby steps every day. Choose kindness. Open mind. Big dreams. Wild heart. Work on you for you. Oh, that is so powerful. Self-care comes first. Talk to yourself like someone you love. Ooh, that one just kind of got me choked up because that's so true. Good vibes only. And then we have you are beautiful, love yourself. Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. Doubt kills more dreams than failure. 5 self-care ideas. Put on a face mask, meditate, journaling, let go of negative energy, hug your pets. Definitely love all of those. And then take time to reflect, grow with the flow, and I am enough. Oh, these are all so perfect and so motivational. So such a beautiful sticker book. This is going to be one of my favorites. I cannot wait to use this one and this vintage inspired one as well. It is just absolutely beautiful. Cannot wait to start diving into these ones. So make sure to check back for some plan with me's using these stickers. And don't forget to use code Stephany10 so you guys can save a little bit of money on your order. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.